You're sweeping. Okay. What are you doing? Coloring? Coloring a picture? For Daddy. You can't even see outside really because it's like all snowy. There's our bush. There's Maggie's house, the tan and red one. There's our neighbors that are on crack. And there's the rest of our street. Let's open the door, see how long we can stand it. There's the front of our house. You can't really tell where our driveway is. Good thing I parked in the garage. There's Maggie's house. There's my honeysuckle bush right there and my crabapple tree. Fascinating, isn't it? You would never believe that yesterday morning it was warm. What?
I'm cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll close the door. Should we make a fire?
Yes.
We should?
Yes.
Okay, alright.